Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June the 5th, 2022. Hope everyone's enjoying their weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how we finished off on Friday. The market definitely finished in the red on Friday. The Dow Jones was lower by 335 points. So you can see a nice rally over the last couple of weeks, and then a bit of a pause throughout last week, and on Friday we finished lower. So it looks like we may be in for a retest of the 20 SMA here. And if we look at the S&P 500, similar picture, right? The S&P down 68 points on Friday. Looks like we're coming back to retest that 20, and then from there we'll see if we can get another bounce or if we bust through and test the lows. The NASDAQ 100 down 342 points, a rejection off these lows. And now again, a retest of the 20 looks like it's in the cards. I think that's something we should be looking out for this week. The Russell 2000, same thing. Not as dramatic of a sell-off as the other three. Only down 15 points on Friday, but still failure to get above these prior lows. And so, again, that sets up a potential move initially to retest the 20 and potentially back to the 1700 level. If we look at crude oil, it just continues to move higher. Just a real nice trend in place. Not a lot of resistance at all. Continues to overcome prior highs. And so the only thing left now is the prior all-time high here at 130, and that is where we are likely headed. Crude was up another $2 on Friday. While gold was down 21 points, you can see pretty much reversing Thursday's bar, and we are very close to the 20, so a retest there looks likely. Bond yields continued to climb, and the dollar showed a bit of strength, although we are still below the 20 here. So we're looking for a move back to the 103 and see if this has enough behind it to get above there. Right now, momentum or slope on that 20 is lower, that's for sure. Now, if we look at the ETFs for the different sectors, starting with energy, obviously best performing group out there, beautiful looking chart. It continues to look very strong. If you look at XLF, ETF for the financials, looks like the overall market pretty much coming back, most likely to retest the 20 here. Tech stocks, same thing. So we are above the 20, but looking to come back to retest. Consumer staples, we're below the 20. And actually, that's a pretty nice rejection there. So here, it looks like a pretty good short for a move back to the lows here, back near 70. So look for that on XLP coming up. XLU, looking actually not bad here. I mean, we did move from below to above the 20, came back, and you can see on Thursday we put in this long hammer candle. You know, that was a real nice reversal after a move pretty close to the 20. On Friday, we pulled back slightly, but not much. So we'll keep an eye on this. We potentially could see a break of this prior high here near 75 and a move back to the highs here near 77. XLV is right at the 20. So we're seeing a retest right now. So early next week, we should know whether this breaks down or whether it holds and starts to bounce again. Consumer discretionaries, XLY, we're looking for another retest there of the 20. Same with real estate, XLRE. XLI, same thing. And again, if we break the prior highs, we should go to the next resistance level. Materials, momentum's flat. This has been a very, very choppy chart. I mean, have a look at this mess. Now, if we go out to the weekly, again, it doesn't resolve anything. It is in a significant consolidation here. I mean, we have been consolidating basically since May of last year. So we have a very defined channel here, and we're waiting for a breakout one way or the other. XLC Communications. Definitely looking for a retest of the 20 there. And XRT is right at the 20, but with that kind of slope, I would imagine we break below it and set up short here for a retest of the recent low here near 58. All right. Now, let's look at news coming up this week. Monday, pretty quiet, not much there. Tuesday, we get trade balance, Redbook, and consumer credit. On Wednesday, we get the NBA mortgage apps number, along with wholesale inventories, crude oil inventories as well, and gasoline inventories. On Thursday, we get the jobless claims number like always, and that's pretty much it. And on Friday, the main one is core CPI. We also get consumer sentiment as well. So not a heavy news week, but there are some significant items to keep an eye out for. So again, when it comes to the markets, what we're looking for here at some point this week is either a move back to the 20 here or a reversal and taking out that recent high. But right now, I think we're looking at a retest of the 20. So we'll see how that goes. Now, tomorrow, June 6th, 2022, we're having another live market chat. We'll kick off at 1 p.m. Eastern. Really hope to see you there, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update.